and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete Snapchat account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply tap open a web browser and type in the URL accounts.snapchat.com. Once you tap it on, you will end up in this kind of interface. So here, all you gotta do now is simply type in your username details and get logged in. We will be redirected to this interface. So here, all you gotta do now is simply tap on delete my account. Tap on delete my account and you will have to see this kind of screen on your mobile device or your website. Now to confirm your deletion, you need to enter your password once again. After this, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. If you don't log back into your account again within 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So this is how you can delete your Snapchat account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.